Ethereum is trading at 23.25, showing a neutral overall stance as a Bollinger squeeze sets up a breakout. Over the last 90 days, ETH has been forming lower highs and lower lows, a clear downtrend tape, and is currently testing the lower end of its range near 2,300. Expect choppy action until a breakout triggers. On the daily chart, MACD momentum is still positive. The line is above the signal, and the histogram is green. But with price in a downtrend, this is a bearish divergence. Momentum trying to turn up, while structure says down. Short-term traders should watch for the histogram to shrink. That would confirm the bearish read. Zooming to the weekly, momentum is constructive. The MACD line just crossed above its signal, and the histogram is positive. This supports the daily attempt to rally, but price closed below the 50-week MA last week, which keeps the bigger picture bearish. The weekly cross suggests a recovery could start, but it hasn't broken above key resistance yet. On the monthly chart, ETH is trading inside a clear downtrend channel. Resistance and support are both sloping down. Price is near the middle of that channel. A break above the top rail would flip the macro thesis bullish. A drop to the bottom could accelerate selling. On the daily chart, RSI is right at 50, dead neutral. Meanwhile, Stochastic has just produced a bullish crossover. Short-term buyers are stepping in. Both oscillators are in the mid-range, so there's room to run either way. Immediate support sits at 2,245 with a major floor near 1,756. On the upside, 2,365 is the first pivot resistance. Price tends to react at these levels, so watch for rejection or a clean break. Ethereum is struggling to hold above 2,400 as macro headwinds weigh. CPI came in strong, reinforcing a no-cut base case for the next FOMC in June. Meanwhile, Aave liquidated the Kelp DAO hackers' positions, and Iran's ceasefire optimism lifted equities, but crypto paused. The cautious macro outlook caps immediate upside. Polymarket gives Ethereum a 0% chance of reaching $5,000 in May. The market has zero confidence in a massive near-term rally. That aligns with the technical picture. Momentum is battling a downtrend, and macro conditions aren't supportive. The bigger picture remains neutral to bearish. A monthly downtrend, daily lower highs, and macro headwinds. Short-term, the Bollinger squeeze and stochastic cross hint at a bounce, but any rally is likely to fade near 2,400. Watch for a breakdown below 2,245 for the next leg down. Top coins are mixed. BTC holds at 81K, down a tick. DOGE drops 4.6% as the biggest mover. BNB and Sol are up modestly. Ethereum underperforms with a 1.5% daily loss. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Data may contain errors. Full sources and links are in the description. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. See you tomorrow for another check-in on Ethereum.